Hello, I'm Washington Witterburn, STK Product Manager. Over the years, you've seen the suite of AGI products expand to over 30 unique offerings, and that number doesn't even include the various flavors of licensing you were able to choose from. Now, while this growth has been indicative of the increasing breadth and depth of capabilities being brought to bear to address increasingly complex aerospace and defense applications, it also meant added complexity for the user when trying to determine the appropriate mix of products needed for their particular circumstances. Not only that, it could also complicate the license management responsibilities of the organization's network administrators when attempting to ensure that features were restricted to the correct set of users. Well, we've been listening to your request, and with the latest set of product releases, we've significantly simplified the list of products you now need to choose from. We've gone from over 30 to less than 10 unique product offerings, and we've made it much simpler to determine what set of features you'll require based on the domain in which you work, either air, space, or multi-domain. We've essentially removed any guesswork while providing a rich set of features to accommodate future growth and added expertise. From a network admin standpoint, it's now much easier to meter licenses based on the known user profiles. It's also easy to acquire the enterprise tools that enable seamless collaboration across various teams within the organization. Now, I'll introduce Mike Shepard, who will talk specifics about how your new licensing configurations will actually work.
Beginning with STK 12.3 and ODTK version 7.3, new licenses are required. This is due to us changing our licenses scheme within the software. New licenses will not be backwards compatible with anything prior to the stated versions, and old licenses will not run with the newer versions of STK or ODTK. Although the licenses aren't backwards and forwards compatible, scenarios are. So any scenarios you built with previous versions of STK or ODTK, you can forward propagate those into the new versions of the software. All new licenses will now be networked. So if you were running on local licenses, that's going to be a big change for you. They're all going to be network licenses. You can still install the licenses locally on a local server serving just yourself, or you can now put them actually on the network and share the licenses. For those of you that are familiar with our legacy licenses on networks, it's still the same FlexNet in the background. It's just a different service. So you can still run the old legacy STK license server along with the new ANSYS license server. All the same rules apply with the new licenses as far as setting firewalls and using options files, because that's all on the FlexNet side of things.
Don't hesitate to contact us to learn more about the new product packaging, or if you need to discuss migrating your existing licenses to the new configuration. Thanks for watching.